Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a really fun one. We're going to make some little Easter things here with some candy melts. Before you melt the candy melts, this is what they look like in their original shape. You can see they're just little pastels. So you melt them down in a double boiler and that's the result. There is no tempering required because there is no chocolate in these. This is 100% candy. I'll just grab my little mold here, and what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do a lot of these, but I'm going to get the paintbrush right into there. Make sure I'm on camera here. And I'm just going to fill this little cavity, and this one here that I'm filling is a little carrot. I think this will be a really fun one. So if you have kids, you know, little things like this that are super easy are just fun to do at Easter. So I just want to fill that up just like that. That's good, and then you can give it a little tap. You can see if it's nicely filled. And I'll do another one. You can also use a piping bag if you wish. That'll make it go a little bit faster. But I am not in a rush. I find this rather relaxing. Now, since this is candy, we can just pop this right into the fridge. I'll leave them in there maybe 10 minutes and then we'll pop them out. We'll do one more. So you melt your candy melts over a double boiler. And you can get those on Amazon or at most craft stores. One of the brands is called Wilton. And there are other brands as well. It does not have to be Wilton brand. And then let's just give that a little tap. And there we go. So now we've got our little carrots. So I'm going to take those now. I'm just going to pop this into the fridge 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and we're going to finish off the video. So here I have my mold, and we'll just take it. We'll just give it a little tap. And there we go. There's our 3 little carrots. I'll bring the carrots over here. So I have green candy melts here, which I've melted down. And then I'm just going to take the top of the carrot here, and I'm just going to dip it, just like that. Give it a little shake. And then we'll put it onto a little silicone mat. And do it again. Just want to get all the top on there, done. And then onto the silicone mat. That one I did a little bit too much, but you get the idea. Just drip it. And there we go. And if you have a lot of these, it's going to look even better. But there we go. Isn't that cute? Let me zoom in. So now that I've zoomed in, you can see those a little bit better. And you can already see that the candy melts are already setting up or drying. And there I've just added 2 more without dipping them into the candy melt so you can see the shape of the little carrot. These are super, super small. You can see compared to my finger how small these are. So a really fun one. If you have kids, this is the way to go. You get yourself a little inexpensive mold, $3 or $4 like that. But you can buy that on Amazon. And you can have a lot of fun with a little bit of candy melts and a mold, and there you go. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far,
Thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.